Are you looking for the best beard trimmers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best beard trimmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 continues to be a powerful, versatile, all-in-one trimmer. It includes 12 guards, 2 of which are easily adjusted to achieve any desired style and length of beard. Changing trimmer heads between the wide, normal, precision, and nose and ear trimmer requires gentle pressure to release and replace. The 7000 doesn't require oiling, but it will increase longevity, and as a shower-proof model, it is one of the most maintenance-free models available. Exceptional all-around performance, a high-quality stainless steel body, a comfortable grip, and the satisfying heft of a high-quality tool combined with an incredible battery life make this model stand out from others. While this is a great trimmer, it's not without some shortcomings. The absence of a foil shaver means you'll need a razor to get a stubble-free shave while grooming. While we think the lack of a foil shaver is a major miss for the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000, aftermarket foil shavers do exist to fit this model. If a foil shaver and micro-level precision are of top importance to your beard grooming routine, you may want to take a look at the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body, which packs a lot of performance and precision into a small package. Number 2. Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit. The Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit is a solid beard trimmer with the strength to handle larger tasks and the size and versatility to handle precision work. It includes 5 trimmer guards, one of which is adjustable, a precision trimmer head, a standard trimmer head, and a nose and ear trimmer to offer enough versatility for most grooming tasks. Our testers generally liked the feel of the trimmer's rubberized body, which proved easy to grip. However, the textured rubber is a magnet for hair and dust, making it a pain to clean, as the model is not waterproof, and you can't just rinse it off. Another issue with the trimmer was uncovered when we validated charging and run times, as we felt the battery charging indicator was less than helpful for determining a full charge. As a dedicated beard trimmer, it's hard to beat this model for the price. While other models were serious contenders that offered similar versatility at a comparable price, they could not compete with the strength of the cutting heads, the cutting power, or the battery life of the Wahl Lithium Ion All-in-One. If you are okay with sacrificing some performance and are looking for an even less expensive model, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 still performed pretty well across most tests for around half the price. Number 3. Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. The seemingly dainty Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body will surprise you with its impressive ability to handle thick beards while offering one of the cleanest and smoothest shaves you can get without a disposable razor. Its small size and waterproofing mean it is handy in the shower or can be rinsed clean, reducing overall maintenance. The blade heads pivot and glide smoothly over the skin, with or without guards attached, and are simple to replace when worn. With the exceptional performance and compactness of the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body come a couple of drawbacks. Mainly, it does not give you the larger guard sizes for shearing a large, thick beard and is more geared toward precision work, close shaves, and shorter beards. The second major shortcoming is a double-edged sword. While the replaceable blades are easy to maintain, they add an ongoing maintenance cost that other trimmers do not have. While the OneBlade 360 is showerproof, we felt that it lacked some of the full grooming attachments and versatility present in the Braun 9-in-1 trimmer, which is a better choice for those who want a beard trimmer that can also be an effective full-body groomer for use in the shower. Number 4. Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. The Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is a real workhorse geared toward those who do serious beard trimming and hair cutting. With professionals in mind, Wahl designed the Magic Clip to last and built it like a tank in the style of its corded clippers. While it is weighty and larger than most trimmers, this model preserves an ergonomic design that is easy and comfortable to grip. While it is a rechargeable option, it has the familiar cutting power of Wahl's corded models and operates for nearly 2.5 hours on a full charge. The downtime to recharge the battery is only an hour, but it can also run while powered by the charging cable, so you'll never be unable to finish grooming. When it comes to more serious clipping and hair removal tasks, the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is exceptional. However, it does not offer interchangeable heads for smaller precision work, lacks a foil shaver, and doesn't include ear and nose hair trimming attachments, so using this beard trimmer for small details may be difficult. Drawbacks aside, the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip easily tackles big jobs and is best suited for those who want to skip out on going to the barbershop in favor of at-home hair maintenance. If you're shopping for a beard trimmer that offers more versatility, we recommend checking out the Braun 9-in-1 trimmer. Not only does it tackle nose and ear hair, but it also includes a precision trimmer head.